Sabihin ko yung droga. Tapo, you know, you have to drop. Kayo ba? Maraming, sabi ko nga, sino ba ditong mayaman? Hindi si Bobot na lang. But siguro nasa negosyo ka. How long did it take you to earn your first thousands or million? Yung talagang hanap buhay mo. 20 years. Tangina nga. Itong mga barangay captain, 40% of the total barangay captains, may tama. Kaya yung election, walang election, nakakaproblema kami dyan. Mag-election tayo ngayon, ang mananalo, narco-politics. We did not know that narco-politics was here with us in government 5 years ago. Kasi may tama yung mga barangay captain. Municipal mayor